Available on 2020 and newer Lexus models equipped with Inform Remote, the Lexus Skill for Alexa will allow you to complete select remote vehicle commands from your Alexa built-in home device or Alexa app. To use these commands, you will need to be enrolled in Inform Remote. You will also need to have an Amazon account, download the Alexa app, and connect the Lexus Skill for Alexa to your Inform account. A skill is like an app for Alexa. It is created by Lexus and can be used to initiate certain remote functions on equipped vehicles. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Ensure your vehicle is equipped with Inform Remote and you have enrolled in the service. Step 2. Sign in to your Amazon account on Amazon.ca or open the Alexa app. Search for and enable the Lexus skill. On the app, tap Menu, then Skills. Here, search for Lexus, and then select and enable. Step 3. Once enabled, sign into the skill with your Lexus app login. Step 4. Select your vehicle. Create and confirm a 4-digit PIN, and then select Save. The PIN you've created will be needed for commands that result in a remote action, such as starting your vehicle and unlocking the doors. The PIN is not required to retrieve vehicle status information. Provided your vehicle is in an area where there is reliable cellular service and your Alexa built-in device with the Lexus skill is connected to the internet, you will be able to complete the following commands. With Amazon Alexa, you can remotely start and stop your engine, and remotely lock and unlock your doors. It can also provide status updates by answering questions like how many kilometers are on your car, how much fuel you have, and more. Before you use Inform Remote, ensure that you are using it in a safe and compliant manner. For more information and to see if your vehicle is compatible, visit lexus.ca/inform. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.